To insert a new staple reload into the stapler handle, the top blue lever number 1 must be in the closed position. Remove the green ship lock from the reload by pressing the grip area and rotating the ship lock in the direction of the arrow while pulling to remove. Align the blue dot on the reload connector with the blue dot on the handle's rotation knob and rotate the reload shaft clockwise until the blue dots align. Ensure the top blue lever number 1 is closed. Depress the ribbed grip area on the reload and rotate it until the pins are disengaged. Pull the reload from the handle and discard it.